I think the logic is pretty straightforward. We know, looking at spins elsewhere, that the focus and the accountability in a structure like this always increase. We think we have an opportunity here as well to have sharper capital allocation and more strategic flexibility. And clearly, this is a good thing for the teams in each of the businesses, both the teams we have today and the teams we need to recruit going forward, given the discrete missions that each of the businesses will have.